Hello everyone, my name is Neha Singh. I am counselor of Gyan Niketan Girls School. Today we will discuss about human values. How to practice human values. Human values are closely integrated with human life. No human life is possible without values. Every living human being lives by certain values. It is only the proportion and combination of negative and positive values which separates a novel human being from a not so novel human being. The positive values are honesty. Honesty is speaking by truth. By lying, you are not honest, also called dishonest, because you are saying something that is not true. Integrity. Integrity comes out of ownership. Take ownership for your responsibilities both at home and the workplace. Loss of integrity means loss of character, and loss of character means loss of your life mentally and spiritually. Kindness. Not every human being is privileged. People with lesser attributes or lesser privilege are not lesser human being. So kindness, treat them as you equals. Forgiveness. Forgiveness brings a kind of peace that help you go on with life. By forgiving someone, it means you forgive the person but not the act. It does not minimize or justify the wrong. Love. Spread love. Reciprocation will start sooner or later from all living things, and ultimately you will end up winning hearts. Our values are important because they help us to grow and develop. They help us to create the future we want to experience. The decisions we make are a reflection of our values and beliefs, and they are always directed towards a specific purpose. In next slide, will we watch a story to understand the human values.
There lived a poor man in Durgapur.
Due to poverty, I have become a thief. But I hate to do this job. But whatever it is, I will speak only the truth.
One night, as usual, the thief wandered in the street and happened to see a person.
Hey man, where are you going at this hour?
I am a thief. This is the appropriate time for my job. By the way, who are you?
The shocked man replied,
Me? I'm a thief too.
Oh, then together can we go?
Okay, I will take you to a place which will make you rich. But one thing, you should give me half of whatever you get.
It's a deal.
Both together walked.
Oh, you have brought me to the palace.
Yes, I know the way to the queen's chamber. Go inside. There will be a cupboard. You will find some jewels. Go, bring it.
The man went inside and found 3 precious necklaces. The man took 2 and came out. The man took one for himself and gave the second one to the other. They both went their way. The next day, in the court,
Minister, I heard from the queen that her jewels have been stolen. Go and inspect the room and report me. And who is there? Find out the thief and bring him here.
Yes, my lord. What? There is a necklace left out? Let me take it and put the blame on the thief.
the minister reported to the king that all the jewels have been robbed. In the meantime, the thief was brought before the king.
Do you accept that you are the one who has robbed the necklaces?
Yes, I do.
Then where are the jewels?
I took 2 from the queen's chamber. One is with me. And the other, I gave it to a person who I met last night.
Do you know who he is?
No, only last night I met him. Together we decided to steal and share the loot.
Is this the other necklace you gave?
Yes, but my lord, how did you get this?
I order that this minister be put behind the bars.
But my lord, what have I done?
I know. There were 3 necklaces. One is with him and the other is with me. And the third one is with you.
My lord, please forgive me. Please.
Take him away. And I appoint you as minister. Yesterday night, without knowing who I am, you spoke the truth. And now, again, you were honest. This post is a reward for your honesty.
Thank you, my lord.
Moral of the story is honesty is the best policy. This story explains the importance of human traits honesty. The king was in search of a honest man for the post of a minister, and he chose a thief for that particular job only because of his honesty. First condition for honesty is the ability to tell the truth. The thief chose to speak them truth when was confronted in this, so his honesty and thus chosen by the king as his minister. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.